I started designing website of Nationalist Congress Party during first month of January 2018, 2008. Then I designed a Facebook page of Nationalist Congress Party also, through which I am broadcasting right now. It was later renamed as facebook.com/nationalistcongressparty.maharashtra. I read a lot of news about SARS virus epidemic, which is spread in Delhi also during 2013, and I posted them in Facebook also. During second week of January, when I came to know about coronavirus epidemic, which had started affecting Chinese people from fourth week of December 2019, I tweeted for the first time on 22nd January 2020 through my Twitter ID twitter.com/civicindia that coronavirus is a family of viruses which can slowly become as big as SARS. Don't touch anything after attending a meeting and wash your hands. I had mentioned that tweet on 22nd January 2020 with Twitter ID of Donald Trump and some hashtags. Since that person ignored my tweet completely, I was upset and I kept on thinking about my next plan or move. Then within 2 or 4 hours I tweeted that SARS virus was not such dangerous till you believed. When I proved, when the whole world started affecting and people died in several parts of the world, then only you believed that SARS was also dangerous. Similarly, coronavirus will also affect millions of and crores of human beings across the world. Then only you will understand. For that, whether I have to explain everything about coronavirus, but he ignored that also. During those times, only 10 or 20 people had died in China. Then I was really upset when he ignored my second tweet also. On the same day, during midnight, I ordered Alexa since I wanted more information about coronavirus and wanted to share it to all the people throughout the world. On 26 January 2020, when I was returning from Morning Hills, I received a call from Amazon employee that he want to deliver that Alexa. On the same day, I requested him to don't touch any object, especially my plants, and keep that Alexa near the plant which is grown beside the LPG box. He readily accepted my request and placed that Alexa outside my house only, and we reached here within few minutes. During that day also I followed all the social distancing. On 26 January we followed all the social distancing while traveling towards Morning Hill and returning back. Then I configured Alexa same day and started broadcasting the next day itself. Most of my tweets were related and Facebook posts were also related to coronavirus. On 10th January I tweeted that 100 persons have been killed in Wuhan, China, and the epidemic is not going to stop. On 14th January during Valentine's Day, I tweeted that handshake has been banned in various in parts of the world. On 19th January, I tweeted that HIV drugs are not helping the victims or patients of coronavirus. On 28th January, I tweeted that you should follow sense and utilize these kind of sanitizer to wash hands. I had already tweeted on during October 16, but that was a coincidence. It was a joke also. I was not aware that this virus, which will get mutated from SARS, will get its name as Corona or COVID-19. Corona was just a name given by me as a joke, a joke related to Contana, or you can find a small circle near left corner of your window stand in which there is a icon named Cortana. That's why I joked Cortana, Microsoft's Cortana speech engine as Corona. But I was not aware that Corona will be named as a virus which is a mutant of SARS, which was already a very dangerous virus, whose drugs were being developed in China. During 17 September 2019, I had already tweeted using my Civic India Twitter ID data. Within a two within 2 hours of the fire accident or intentionally burning the laboratory by Putin's army in Russia, where many smallpox and Ebola contagions were leaked into the environment. Within 2 hours of the accident or intentional disaster by Putin, I tweeted about the dangers related to these kind of contagion. But Indians are not only irresponsible, but they are very arrogant. They don't follow me properly. Even if they follow, they will start abusing me. I kept on checking these Indians for about 4 years. Even during summer nights when I was sweating, I kept on tweeting many Indian journalists, but they ignored me. During Delhi gang rape, crime and violence in Delhi also, I was the first person on 19th December who tweeted about the disaster or the crime which occurred near PAVR Saket in Yadav Travels bus. But these Indians used to abuse me a lot. That's why, especially Moscow Demolition Group and Church Vandalism Group, they are strictly favoring these kind of cockroach and insects, especially the Namo or dog or picture. And these they are very restricted to their wrongful thoughts and beliefs. For that reason, even when I felt irresponsible and I felt some kind of guilt in my inner consciousness when I was tweeting without naming any Asian personality, but I was tweeting Donald Trump, the president of the United States, who ignored me, who kept on ignoring. It was not an ordinary. It was not even, but I was not the only one who was tweeting during February, but I was the only one who was tweeting during January, and that was a really guilt kind of feeling inside me that I'm not placing any hashtags. But that slowly got vanished when these fresh leaders throughout the world started initiating their own achievements, their own negative aspects of the life, and their own ignorance or bribe which they used to collect, or the commission which they used to get through medicine companies throughout the world. And even today itself, that flesh president appreciated Dog Namo. That Dog Namo was the first person, is the first person who supplied medicines to Brazil, chloroquine. Otherwise, chloroquine was not existing in this world. And the journalist was also writing nonsense. But when lockdown occurred for the first time, and it was extended in Albania also on 27th March, but it was continued in many states, many countries throughout the more than 151 countries throughout the world are presently facing lockdown or shutdown or social distancing. They are following each and every measures restricted by the World Health Organization, but it has become practically impossible to curb this epidemic or pandemic, whatever you can name. You can utilize any kind of dictionary words to name, but it is not possible to contain it. And US Navy men was also fired just because they exposed the coronavirus victim inside the vessel. And everyone should be aware that the gas cloud exhaled by any victim, carrier, or any potential culprit, or even if the person is just inhibiting symptoms, even then, the gas cloud exposed or released by that person will definitely impact any person surrounding 27 to 28. But the probability is too high if the person is within 6 feet. But the gas cloud can travel 27 to 28 feet. Can you imagine the danger or the vulnerability which that virus contains? It is practically impossible to save this earth. I kept on shouting throughout the city to kill those Moscow demolition group, the church vandalizing group who were engaged in supporting biological warfare by supporting Made for India vocabulary pollution. You can check. Wait for Made for India vocabulary pollution throughout my Facebook timelines. They are innumerable. More than 1,000 posters which are definitely against these church vandalizing. I kept on shouting. I kept on promoting. Millions of views are available in my Facebook pages, and thousands of and crores of Facebook or website visitors interacted through any kind of medium, even if it is a PHF. I'm not appreciating myself as I can. I can't design a website properly, but even then, I kept on utilizing all kind of chat methods, the integrated chat widgets. Presently, I am using Talk.to, but there is a limitation to help if you don't have any financial resources, and especially if you are who supporters are not and that much equipped to interact with you in real life. They can't reach here. They can't have that much economic resources. They try to reach the nearby head offices where the corrupt people are always present, even if that is Tariq Anwar, Sharad Pawar, even if that is the aeronautical member of parliament, especially Conrad Sarma also who betrayed also. There are many people, including Agatha Sarma, who started supporting Moscow demolition group and church vandalizing group. Even though to the extent I prayed for her marriage, even when she got married, even after marriage, she started appreciating dog or fake Shiva. That was extent to my humiliation when I spent abundant money to pray for her marriage also. Whenever I supported any Indian or initiated any kind of interaction, they started supporting Moscow demolition group, and to the worst extent, I had to tweet that day without, and I am not defending myself. Especially, why should I defend myself when my Twitter timeline is not private? It is open. You can check my Twitter timeline without registering also. Even in 2 weeks, I will be able to broadcast a Facebook Live, and you will be able to watch me in logout mode. Facebook is also about to launch a Facebook Live also, but I'm still broadcasting. I am not sure. I'm broadcasting uh, multiple social networking sites for the first time, because I have to shut down my broadcast because I am not sure whether this broadcast will be saved or you are watching also. Two persons are still available. I can see two persons in my software, but they can't be seen. They can't be invited. Even Facebook Live has discontinued the invite function. That's why I'm using another OBS type software. Presently, I am using StreamYard.com. I am able to watch three viewers. Most of them are from my Facebook pages. but I am not sure there is a probability that even YouTube viewers are watching or even more viewers are watching me or not. But then I will save this broadcast and then check it whether the quality of broadcast is worth playing and worth. Then only I can broadcast for more duration during future. And please check my website Nationalist Congress Party dot online ncp dot org dot free.
The worldwide number of COVID-19 cases soared past 23 million mark on Saturday, while the number of deaths hit 8 lakh 566, according to Johns Hopkins University data. In California, the ongoing pandemic and social distancing restrictions are yet again complicating disaster relief efforts as more than 1 lakh Californians flee raging wildfires. Democratic presidential candidate Biden wants to shut down the country again to curb COVID-19 because the economy and the stocks have already revived and there is no need of more money. Whatever it takes to save lives, he is ready to prepare as narrated by himself. Otherwise, Biden is equivalent, corrupt, and arrogant, greedy, ignorant, illiterate, similar to Trump. And he said he will shut it down America again to stop the spread of COVID-19. In order to keep the country running and moving and the economy growing, the people employed, you have to fix the virus, you have to deal with the virus, ignoring the fact that it is impossible to deal with the virus, especially when king of the world Vikramaditya don't have any intent to do the same because he is ready to make the world extinct at any cost. As many as 2,15,000 more people than usual died in the United States during the first 7 months of 2020. Number of the lives lost due to coronavirus is significantly higher than the official toll. South Carolina nears 1,10,000 coronavirus cases.
Blockchain can help feed more people.
Italy reports more than 1,000 new coronavirus cases for the first time since May. COVID-19 hospitalization in Mississippi dropped, but that too temporarily. United Kingdom reports more than 1,200 coronavirus cases. I am broadcasting simultaneously using Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. The total COVID-19 death toll in Florida has reached 10,274, and coronavirus death toll reaches 8 lakh globally. More than 8 lakh 720 people have been died in the whole world. And more than 2 crore 30 lakh 26,230 people have been affected in the world, with United States with standing at the top with 5,64,506 56,45,697 cases, ahead of Brazil with 33,32,330 cases, and India stands at third, constantly from past 1 month, but it will definitely reach second within 15 or 20 days, surpassing Brazil, who has only 35 lakh cases, and India has reached 29 lakh. In 15 days it will definitely try to surpass Brazil, and in about 2 months it will pass America also. $41,509 people have been died in United Kingdom only, and 1,75,817 people have been died in United States. Thanks a lot for joining my broadcast. India reports a record 95,000 coronavirus cases in a day. Nearly 27.8 million people around the world have been diagnosed with the coronavirus, and 9,04,364 people have been died, according to Johns Hopkins University. India reported record jump of coronavirus cases and infections on Thursday, taking its tally of cases past 4.4 million. In the last 24 hours, 95,735 new infections were detected, with 1,172 deaths, for the highest single-day mortality figure in more than a month. A journalist of India Today was also killed due to coronavirus. I don't used to get more than 4 seconds of viewer per broadcast. Since most of Indians are more concerned about fake Lord Vishnu, fake Lord Ram, and Namadog, or fake Lord Shiv, and their concerns and interest surrounds around those issues only. Due to lack of educated leaders in India, even UNESCO used to mock them. They were waiting for the mobile lights, mass hysteria by dog or Momo or fake Shiv, and then they announced education for all. Even when they have posted picture of dog Namo in the home page of UNESCO website, they didn't plan education for all day to be held on 9th September. Even when they know that other United Nations organizations are also planning similar event all throughout the year. There are multiple number of environment days, multiple number of children's day, and multiple number of teachers day also. So education for day is also included in those multiple number of categories. Most of the time, a polio student of my class, Chandrasekhar, used to accept my Facebook request, and parallelism was expected all the time just because he was the only person in recent years to whom I had disclosed about bike theft activities of a prostitute utilizer Balram Karp. Then another classmate contacted me through LinkedIn, and then I sent him a Facebook request which he accepted. When I tried to tell him reason behind absence of any other classmates, just because I wanted to explain that I didn't contacted you in spite of the fact that I was doubtful of your identity, of being my classmate friend from 1986 till 1990. Since he left the school and didn't elaborated the reason behind shifting to another school during 1990 or 10th grade. But the proof behind remembering each and every person of my school or college is still left in all the post. Sometimes there are mimicry I traced, sometimes they are good in any curriculum or any time in sports activities. I didn't criticize any of my classmates. Why should I have concerns or issues with any particular person just because of the fact that he used to annoy me by stealing my bike accessories, and all the classmates and Delhi guys including Charu Virmani, Ritu Gupta, Nidhi, other girls like Renuka Marwa, Zinia Mitra are all connected to that person, due to which I didn't send Facebook request or deleted them or blocked them during earlier phase of Facebook development. That was the only reason which that person was not interested to know, but we had good discussion of our school days, and we remembered each and every person and teachers also, and all the talks were extremely positive and possessed a great relevance in today's concerns. and gradually I included him in other Facebook groups like CFO, SA, or friends and relatives also. Sharad Pawar told that the Sushant case can lead to darkness only, and it is extremely difficult to find the true culprits, taking into consideration that all the proofs and fingerprints or any kind of clues were not collected in time, and just because of the fact that his relatives were very tricky, who reached prior to police and removed all the marks and all the clues from this site of crime. That was the only reason. No other conspiracies or hidden meaning of that leader was should be assumed. And the Flesh Moscow demolition group took that granted and started criticizing many innocent girls, and then they conspired another tricky method to include actress of Queen movie in that mass hysteria, so that in the fast moving Twitter timeline of accusing and mockeries or any kind of poems and nonsense phrases, she will get trapped and start appreciating friends of fake Shiv or Moscow demolition group leaders, and they want to develop any kind of leadership empire in that group, which is not possible at all. One of the prostitutes was already dead, who was also being trapped in a construction company mass hysteria. Another actress has also withdrawn, who was indulged in wearing pungent smelling flower logo construction company t-shirts in sports. That was also removed from the mass hysteria. The only person who was left behind, and that has some hope, was the same person who was appreciated by that actress. But the political party of Sharad Pawar didn't react in a nonsense manner, because they are responsible people. They don't get trapped in these kind of mass hysterias. That's why he warned own people that don't get confused and don't get spend your crucial time in these kind of activities. And we don't have any concern with Bollywood, we don't have any concern with any kind of sports celebrities. We used to call them as one of the 33 crore demigods of Hinduism. Most of them used to correlate themselves with Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, or Goddess Parvati, and slowly they prepare viewers to follow them in various kind of social networking sites and get themselves trapped or hypnotized in, and they will believe them that reincarnation is the same, and slowly same actress, and slowly they will believe her as a goddess Sita also. But real Lord Shiv lives 21 light years away from Earth 1. And many groups forced NCP to support during past times, and they were desperate to get support of NCP, and then they kept on insisting that it will not take much time in forming a trust between each and every group, but their blood is not different. They are totally devoted to mosque demolition group. They will definitely try to perform these kind of activities so that a negative promotion should be highlighted, and God's or Lord's Ram's reputation should be spoiled, because they are not ready to spend immensely on development of a temple, and but they want to keep that issue alive also. That is the only method through which they can spoil the reputation, because a Chichore type Lord Ram was born in Ayodhya, whose wife Sia acted in a movie along with Sushant, who consumed a lot of drugs also, and when he ditched or duped goddess Sita and was engaged in any extramarital affairs just because of adultery verdict with Riya, then he was trapped or caught red-handed, and both goddess Sita and God Ram or Lord Ram should be punished, and Lord Ram has already been punished. He ended his life because he was a Chichore type of person, and then goddess Sita should also be punished, and another Leela who is a girlfriend of Lord Ram. Like Deepika was a girlfriend of Lord Ram whose name was Leela in a movie Ram Leela, and that's why he should have also been punished. So there is no need to remember Lord Ram. There is no need of any kind of temple. You should believe in Krishna, because many temples in Vrindavan are already existing, and many temples are developing potty logo, pungent smelling flower logo. So you should believe in Krishna, because all of the Krishna temple trust are ready to transform into a potty logo, pungent smelling flower logo construction type of temples, and it is better for them to divert your attention from Lord Ram towards Krishna. That mass hysteria is going on. In that mass hysteria, they might have killed their own man also, due to which they are promoting Krishna, because everything depends on karma. Even broadcasting is a karma, even yoga is a karma, even sitting idly is a karma. There is no need to act on infrastructure of this country. There is no need for manufacturing industry. Their only requirement is to develop broadcasting services, which were earlier owned as a monopoly by United States like Uplive and Singapore, which is also supporting China. Singapore is also supporting China. Hong Kong is also supporting China. Every country is supporting China. So all the applications which were developed in these countries should be regarded as betrayers, or if you will follow them, you should also be considered as a betrayer. And there is no need to develop any in manufacturing industry, because you have to help them, then you have to provide loans to them, you have to facilitate people to visit those industries or lands, and there is no need for UGC also, because otherwise you have to appoint educated teachers which are not present, which are not close to mosque demolition group. I am traveling towards Newry in this city. I will reach there within 45 minutes. Private restaurant. Ate some breakfast and one glass of tea. About 8 years ago, I was using prepaid wallet cards. Nowadays, I am using more wallet cards from different banks, which is a kind of a technological progress. This footpath is also developed by the same private restaurant. there is nothing to applaud or feel arrogant about these kind of achievements. But you must have seen the difference in opinion and behavior of flesh Indians throughout this country, from the mosque demolition group. They are everywhere. As if any flight has landed from a different planet to this helipad, which is specially developed by mosque demolition group during recent days only. See the condition of this highway. From if you will move from about 10 meters from this place, you will feel garbage everywhere. Even the Supreme Court has mentioned the amount of garbage scattered on Indian roads, which is more than 45% of the land area, of the road area. You can see the speed of this pen. It is extremely slow, due to which I have kept a pedestal in my house. I was already fed up of all my efforts, since after finding that flexibilities aren't recognizing truth labs also. That's why they are called flexibilities by me, and I don't have any regret in calling them with these words, especially after finding that they are not recognizing truth labs, and it's a shame for them. After that, I felt a lot of frustration, and I thought that it's hopeless and senseless to convince anyone, especially in today's world when they aren't bothered of investigation companies also. But I find immense relief when I find these kind of friends in my social networks. At least I have that much hope and confidence for myself that I can prove to myself. That's why I regard these kind of professions as most respectable in today's world, like forensic experts and chemical analysis scientists and these kind of senior most light detection tester experts. That's why I regard these kind of professions as most senior most and respectable. From the beginning, since I wanted to take chemistry honors or want higher studies in chemistry itself, but I couldn't get or access some master's degree in science because I had to join. Then whenever I perform mistakes like have and had and don't use is or exclamatory signs after completing my sentence, then I feel very frustrated and hopeless, and that's my greatest weakness, due to which I was being exploited by my classmates, colleagues, business partners, and whomever I used to interact or chat through internet or any kind of similarly you can access through my vocabulary also, due to which you can see there are no Christians or no foreigners in my video streaming. Even if when I have managed to get score 15 14 and I will shortly gain 15 level and pro 2 also, but even then foreigners will not watch. They used to get stars and we are able to grab levels, but in reality they don't feel any emotional attachment with Asians. Otherwise there is no sense in development of so much cruel kings like Kim Jong. There might be something drawback in Christians or in Americans. They can't be righteous in each and every aspect. They can't be right in the 100% aspect of interaction or arrogance. They are extremely arrogant, due to which Korean have become like that. Otherwise there was no sense in that. And Putin also, from heart, Putin knows that Kim is not doing anything wrong. And similarly in Twitter, even if I have managed to get 60 plus clout and UNICEF follows me, refugees follows me, no other Asian is being followed by United Nations senior most Twitter profiles. But even then you must have seen not even a single president from America or not even a single celebrity from America ever retweeted me or liked me. They used to interact through mentions only and they don't interact emotionally. They don't have any emotional attachment with Asians. Leave alone the king of the world, or even if I am reincarnation of Vikramaditya or not, even if I am senior most person or working in an exclusive company or working in a reputed multinational company or owning any industrial company or not, that's a different aspect. But these kind of Christians, they have invented, they think that they have invented each and every technology, including binoculars also. And Putin's own relatives developed binoculars, but Americans have taken hold of the patent rights. Even then Putin is not feeling angry against American, because he knows that there is no sense in talking anything against America. They are extremely powerful people, and even Jesus Christ is with them. Even if Kim Jong can prove righteousness for other human beings, Jesus Christ is with America only. And he might gain popularity by bombarding nuclear weapons, but in reality Jesus Christ is not with him. That's what Putin thinks. Otherwise there is no sense in arguing whom side is Jesus Christ, because no one has seen Jesus Christ. Until if we are talking about war, without war we can't find out whether Jesus Christ is supporting Korea or America. And if we are talking about war only, without initialization of war, no one can predict to whom side Jesus Christ will support. And from the day the war starts, then only we can predict or find out or access it whether Jesus Christ is supporting that foolish person who is in favor of church vandalizing. I don't think Jesus Christ will ever favor a person like Trump, who met a flash mosque demolition group leader, a flash church vandalizing group leader. I don't think Jesus Christ will ever support. According to me, Jesus Christ will always support Kim Jong, who have never met till now any kind of mosque demolition group or church vandalizing leader. Not even a single supporter of church vandalizing group. They don't like to meet with these kind of people because they know, Koreans know, especially North Koreans know that these are flesh bastards who are bound to get reincarnation as cockroaches and insects. But Obama and Trump have already met. And I will consume more of your time till 12. You must have find my topics as monotonous, but I don't have anything more to express, especially after migrating to this small city where everyone is indulged in prostitution. Not even a single person is pure here. Each and every person is indulged in prostitution. I do use that example to I feel my spectrum and my thoughts diversity have been limited, and I don't have any regret because I don't have anything to say except my past, and I have proved by posting 70 receipts also, and I ordered my first movie in 2010, Ek Chalis Ki last local to 70 only, and when I witnessed that movie's name in 70 official homepage, then I remembered my school classmates. Otherwise, I had forgotten after performing severe and long-term anesthesia. And you know these kind of anesthesias are very dangerous. If I am alive, it's because of Lord Timothy. And if you think that Timothy don't exist, then you are foolish person. Because if Jesus Christ, I'm talking about Jesus Christ from past 5.5 minutes, and that's obvious that Timothy was already there. And David and Peter was very close to Jesus Christ. He remained with him. Joseph was very close to Jesus Christ. Both of them remained with Jesus Christ till his crucifixion. And similarly, Timothy also exists. Wherever Jesus Christ don't visit, Timothy used to. It's written in Bible. Whenever you are ill and if you remember God, if you remember Bible, then if Jesus Christ is free, he will definitely come for your rescue. Otherwise, he will send Timothy. And Timothy saved free from anesthesia and difficult surgeries, which doctors say that it was not as much difficult as predicted by Devinder Kumar, an ENT surgeon who works in Gangaram Hospital, New Delhi. And Gangaram Hospital had bought Colmet Hospital also. Now Colmet Hospital had become Gangaram Colmet Hospital in 2001 itself. When I met Mr. Devinder Kumar, an ENT surgeon in Gangaram Hospital during 2006, he told me that you are suffering from extremely dangerous problem, and if I perform surgery by endoscopy or any kind of other procedure, and then if he try to reach here, then the optical fiber will be blasted like this, and you will become blind. Then I felt very, very afraid. Yes, you have rightly chosen the correct word. Then I became afraid of surgery. But his age is 57 at that time, and he insisted me that by that age, during 2006 itself, he had already performed 4,500 surgeries, and Truth Labs can find out through my eyes that he told me. Dr. Javinder Kumar, an ENT surgeon, told me that if he tried to perform surgery on him, there is a greater chance that your optical fiber will be damaged and you will become blind forever. Then I insisted him that I had read in many websites that before planning these kind of surgeries, you should try to migrate towards lesser polluted areas. And he said, of course, you should migrate away from Delhi if you don't want to operate yourself several times in future. And regarding the surgical risk, I have told you that's because of my age. I am not saying that you are suffering with extremely dangerous problem, but due to my age, I am feeling very anxious and I am feeling afraid to perform your surgeries. Then I realized that the doctor was rightly disclosing all the fact and he is not intentionally harming my emotions or trying to utilize me by referring to any of his other surgeon and not trying to mock me. Then I realized that the doctor wasn't saying lied, and I told that doctor after the surgery because I hid those concepts and those facts intentionally from doctor in Fortis Hospital, Chandigarh, because I don't want to make him more anxious just because of any other doctor's realization or other doctor's concept of that surgery. That might be his personal feeling, but I don't want to intervene in the process, so I didn't interacted a lot and just showed him the MRI of Sector 7C Chandigarh and didn't talk much about my past. I did mention after performing successful surgery, and then he insisted that he might be that it might not be a correct assertion or any kind of misunderstanding since that is a normal procedure and he had performed abundant number of surgeries. But Truth Labs cannot indicate that also, because otherwise also I wasn't planning to migrate, not because of my problem. I was forced to migrate towards Panchkula because of corrupt flesh relatives DDA, and who used to demand 2000 rupees Tata Indicom mobile from me. And when I denied, they kept on sending me notices, and once I noted the postal employee that I wasn't the correct person to receive these notices, but my family became fed up of these notices because they were already harassed by the corrupt DPCC since being India's first environment-friendly factory. In bathroom fittings category, I was the first person in India to get orange category consent and bathroom fittings category in 2002 itself, and even then these flesh Delhi Pollution Control Committee harassed me a lot and didn't provided me consent in time, due to which I suffered huge economic losses and my stock was reduced below the threshold from which I can't recover, and because of lesser job work and lesser loan amount which I can gather from other people, because I don't had any reference or no one helped me, and during that time I don't had more than multiple cars, due to which I couldn't sold cars also, and I suffered huge losses just because of flash relatives, due to which these flashes are ignoring my all the facts, and they are treating and trying to defend. That is the main correct language. Flesh Indians are continuously trying to defend prostitution, in short, of all the lecture. That's why they are known as Flesh Indians bastards. Let's see if there's a presence. Good quality working watch which I had closed era just because of corrupt intelligent authority. This is a watch, but these are not. Why should I will act about 4 or 5 of them. One for myself. Wunick also betrayed me a lot. The shop police also betrayed me a lot. These kind of flashes, I sent a lot of pictures, and then in return they keep on sending mails that your profile hasn't been. These kind of flashes Indians are everywhere. As sales team trying to help them a lot. The flashes kept on sending me. This is what's contained. It is much inside. It will benefit me also because I can see newspaper which is kept, which is due to humidity damaged. This is also much, but it is very economical. It costs only 495 rupees. It's I bought this kind of watch during 6th class when I was in 6th class from Tilak Nagar. Then it was original 400 rupees watch, but I bought it in 400 DP during 90s. Then who will buy from me? Because imported watches were available at lesser cost even during those times. But I want metal strap watch only. I'm searching for metal strap. I'm not searching for rubber because too humidity rubber strap. And Fukushima is also spoiled. No one wants to visit Fukushima because it is an isolated place. It's a haunted. It has become a haunted place. No one wants to Fukushima. And the watches he replaced of batteries, and during midnight I can't go batteries. Mobiles box. Since I have removed all this spurious quality and installed teak wood riveted frame, and I have removed everything. That's why there is a chance of termite. I will remove boxes also. No same watch has been damaged, and no is working. And if I remove watch boxes, then it will take space also. Then if I try to mold this, press this hard, let's see if it's getting damaged or not. This is a good watch, and I most probably I will keep this. Don't go that they buy. This is a MRP tag for Max VS 730 THX2 800 watt music system, and MRP was 16,990 and selling price was 14,500. It was kept in my electronics showroom located in 14/474 Sundar Vihar, which was closed because of flash corruptibilities. The Delhi Development Authority on demanding rupees 2,000 mobile just for the sake of 2,000 mobile. I was silly enough to close refrigerator. LG was 600, 4 to 600. I had bought 4 refrigerator cost 600, 600 in only shower arms nut, plastic nut, Chinese, not Indian. Samsung C21 screen vision, round television and flat television didn't become obsolete. Oxyfresh refrigerator, Electrolux. There are only few watches that were selected from a box which is kept downstairs. And that box contained about 100 more watches, out of which I had selected about 40 or 50 for Vunic and Shopcluse. Before I selected for Shopcluse, I spent about 2 or 4 a week in picturizing these watches and then posting in Shopcluse, and Vunic software was also utilized for, and I wasted about 15 days. And these kind of flashes didn't cooperate. They mocked me afterwards. They must have been mocking me. And Vunic succeeded. Even then, flashes succeeded. That's why it's known as Flash Indian country. Flashes used to succeed, and they were already aware that they will succeed. Because you are the people who cooperate with them. You are the elite people who used to cooperate with corruption, prostitution, and these kind of flashes. The flash HR people.
Campaigning for what's expected to be some of the most contentious Pakistani elections has been plagued by more violence.
29 girls of Bihar were raped by coal miners.
Sardar Niamullah Gandapur died from his injuries after his car was targeted by a suicide bomber.
Belonging to Mosque Demolition Group and Arya surname.
Pakistani media are reporting 20 people have been injured in a grenade attack at the Balochistan Awami Party's election office.
20 people injured in Kota grenade
Second attack of the
attack.
party in the past 10 days. Security forces are searching for the attackers. allegations of media restrictions and poll-rigging are already overshadowing the election, which takes place on Wednesday. Samar bin Javed reports from Lahore.
Well, this is the man considered disruptive by Pakistan's two-way parties of the net zero. But now polls suggest Imran Khan's statement is a metaphor for Pakistan's movement.
NCP's website was designed by me
And it is intended to bring about
10 years ago,
which the flatters want,
and even now it is continuously hosted.
which will cause further
ncp.org.free.com.
weak government, internally divided coalition, huge challenges. It's the first election where the minister of
Congress I became arrogant, especially after Karnataka elections. That was already expected.
It was resolved after the military became guarantor of the protesters and the government. Now it's a political force.
So a girl is liking Rahul Gandhi's Facebook page, blocking me and my son, and simultaneously accepting Facebook requests of a prostitute utilizer, Ram Khan.
Money given to us by the Rangers for someone's individual act and has nothing to do with the party.
Whether she was inspired by other classmates or teachers, or due to her actions, other classmates and teachers got encouragement. That is difficult to decide. Or they expected her behavior prior to own provocations. NCP's IT cell is the most powerful IT cell of the whole world. People will might have understood the meaning of sexy orgasm to civic. That's why the password of ABN AMRO Bank during 2000 was kept sexy orgasm to civic. I kept on trying my best. I wanted to start a transport business also from Jaipur to Delhi, so that Dalitis will be made aware that Moscow demolition group are about to reach Delhi through mass hysteria and parallelism of Balatkar Sakshatkar, Three Idiots movie. And metallic rape will be performed with anonymous girl. But that password didn't become popularized because only starred and coded messages are stored in the form of passwords, not the real ones. That's why I couldn't prove anyone. And forensic experts are present in my Facebook profile. They can check me also. Many fingerprints experts are present in my Facebook profile, Facebook group, forensic experts. You can check that also. They can utilize me and prove me right. Yes, I can suffer any kind of punishment if I am wrong. I was already aware that Moscow demolition group is planning metallic gang rape with any autonomous girl in Delhi, so that the government of secular Congress will be destroyed. That's why I kept those kind of passwords. And illiterates were already utilizing any kind of mass hysteria. That's why I bought 3636633 kind of thumb impression phone number. From first name superimposition belonging to Moscow demolition group party logos of Pond. Opposite a heavy laborer shop in a community center, Mayapur industrial area. But that shop was not found a few months ago. And when the 8-digit numbers transformed into 10 digits, 9501 was added. Then 66633, it got transformed into 66633. Then I bought more number from Hutch Vision also, or Hutch Mobiles, related to 66633, so that symmetry can be arranged. But slowly I discontinued that number. And when I switched it on after 10 years, the mobile was still working, but their network got sold. Their motive was accomplished, a motive of corruption and raffle deals and more defense deals and earning immense amount of money was fulfilled through dog or fake shoe, and their plan of metallic rape was also fulfilled. The secular government got destroyed, but slowly only judges and highly educated people are understanding their plans. One of the pawn, Amir Khan, understood the blunders he had performed, and he started promoting intolerance and said that his own wife don't want to live in India. These kind of places are existing in this country. They should have been kept inside the bar. They should have been arrested by now. But their movies and their companies are still running in the form of big 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 grit, mass hysteria. We must have seen Alia Bhatt ranting nonsense about 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 inches banana, directly relating that banana with sexual organ of a man. He is directly provoking criminals to perform metallic rapes across the country. Even in Gurgaon, many flesh women belonging to Moscow demolition group were promoting themselves by wearing short skirts. And in a parallelism manner, many places hair reached here and there. On 3 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 7. Mass hysteria. यामा का नहीं कर रहा आजकल? यामा का
यामा का बहुत ठंडा चल रहा है। यामा RX 100 दोबारा नया आने वाला है ना।
तूने मेरी बाइक का करा था?
हाँ जी।
कौन सी थी?
यामा आपके लैबो थी, पता नहीं कौन सी थी।
ग्लैडिएटर
ग्लैडिएटर था।
135।
वो तो आपने सेल कर दिया ना।
यामा की कौन सी बाइक आ रही?
यामा RX 100 दोबारा नई आ रही है।
कब आ रही? और रिलीज़ होने वाली है?
हाँ,
होगी रिलीज़?
ये रही इसकी फोटो।
हाँ मैंने सुना है मूवी भी आई है ना यामा RX 100।
पानीपत तो खड़ी है, पानी में खड़ी होकर बिक भी नहीं तरह।
एक पिक्चर भी तो आई है यामा RX 100।
हाँ जी, पिक्चर ही दिखा रहा हूँ मैं।
नहीं RX 100 की कितने की आएगी? ये RX 100 का शीशा कितने का आएगा?
कौन सा वाला शीशा?
राइट पीछे देखने वाला।
वो लगभग होएगा मेरे हिसाब से 150 रुपये का। उसका पता क्या?
और ये तार, स्पीडोमीटर की तार,
ये सब चेक करनी पड़ेगी। आपने सेल नहीं करी क्या बाइक? आप कह रहे मैंने सेल
वो
कर दी।
मैंने उठा के दे दी।
तो बेच दी ना।
हाँ कब की भी? एक दो आइटम उसमें कम थी ना।
बाइक तो बहुत अच्छी थी, चली भी बहुत कम थी। कितने की
पहले
बेच
मेरे
दी
पास RX 100 थी।
आप? कितने की बेच दी
दिखा
आपने?
RX 100 की फोटो।
दिखा रहे हो।
वो हटा दी तिरपाल तूने कल लगा रहा था।
हाँ जी, बारिश होती है ना तभी लगाते हैं उसको, वैसे नहीं लगाने देते। आपने बाइक कितने की दे दी वो?
मैं बड़ी सस्ती दे दी 12,500 की।
12,500 की?
हाँ
मॉडल कौन सा था?
2008 का।
8 नहीं था बहुत ही ज़्यादा होगा वो।
नहीं
चली तो गाड़ी थी नहीं आपकी बिल्कुल भी, जब एक बार आप सर्विस कराने के लिए आए
5-6 हज़ार चली थी। मोरनी हिल में गया 1-2 बार, और बाकी सेक्टर 26 में गया, 25 में। सही है।
सेम वही है, पर क्या है अलाई व्हील चेंज कर दिए इसके और लाइट चेंज कर दिया।
तूने देखी है?
हाँ जी।
कहाँ पर?
पानीपत मेरा दोस्त गया था, वो फोटो खींच के ले गया था जिससे फोटो
सही है बाइक।
रेट उन्होंने लगाया है वैसे तो
इसके पार्ट्स महंगे थे तभी तो पूछ रहा हूँ। 150 का शीशा है इसका।
हाँ जी।
और तार स्पीडोमीटर की
कार इसकी स्पीडोमीटर मेरे हिसाब से 120 रुपये कार होगी
बस।
मेरे पास खड़ा है ना RX 100 घर पे खड़ा है डिब्बी। पहले था मेरे पास, ये मैं ले गया था ना यहाँ से।
इसका सामान बड़ी जल्दी रिप्लेस हो जाता है, इसका ये फ़ायदा है। ये तार तो वगैरह तो खुद ही चेंज कर लेता हूँ मैं, लेकिन हाथ गंदे हो जाते लेकिन तार हैं
जो मेरे पास खड़ा है घर पे कैथल नंबर।
बाजार से लेके पैकेट में खुद ही डाल दो तार। सर्विस चार्ज बचाना होता पहले, क्योंकि इसका मीटर के नीचे बहुत जगह है इसकी हैं।
हाँ जी।
काफ़ी काम गंदा खुद ही कर लेते इसका हैं।
पर अब दोबारा लॉन्च होगी ना, सारी मोटरसाइकिलें बंद हो जाएगी भाई, यामा ही चलेगा मेरे को लगता है। तो दोबारा ये
40 तक की तो होगी।
नहीं, इस टाइम पे इसका रेट कंपनी ने वैसे 16,000 रुपये निकाला है, ठीक है। आते आते महंगी होगी,
बस 16,000।
वैसे 16,000 निकाला कंपनी ने, वैसे आते आते महंगी हो जाएगी। पानीपत इस टाइम पे बिकी है
26 की तो मैंने वो ली थी ग्लैडिएटर।
इसका रेट अलग है सर, इसका रेट अलग है, इसकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा है ना RX 100।
कितनी 16 बता रहा? 16,000 बस।
कंपनी ने 16,000 बताया, और बाकी पता लगे वो बता रहे, कह रहे 40,000 का है।
16 और 40 में तो बड़ा फर्क है।
यहाँ से थोड़ी ना आएगा ये बन रहा है वहाँ पे अपना नेपाल में आज भी दिख रहा है।
RX 100 ये मैं चलाता हूँ ना, तो जैसे सीट तक भी पानी आ जाता है ना,
तब भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
बंद नहीं होती है। ऐसे यहाँ तक पानी आ जाता है, इतना चलती रहती है।
बंद ही नहीं होती है इसमें, पानी
इसका यही फ़ायदा होता है। अब मैं कॉलेज जाता था इतना पानी में,
इसके अंदर
चलती रहती
पानी नहीं लगता,
है।
पानी नहीं लगता ये।
आजकल तो ये फ़ोटो आ रही है जो नई नई बाइक की, इतने पानी में
बेकार हमको
हैं,
पानी लगता है।
इतने पानी में बंद हो जाती है। दिखाते फ़ोटो पूरा टीवी में 1-1 घंटा दिखाते रहते, देखते रहे हाथ को जलाएगा। ग्लैडिएटर हैं?
चलता हूँ मैं भी दुकान पर सकता हूँ। कल मेरे को बाइक उठा के ले गया ना रात को
कहाँ से?
घर के बाहर से 648 नंबर कोठी नहीं अपना, दुकान कोठी जो है
तेरी वहाँ भी तो एक दुकान थी पहले।
कहाँ पे? 6 में?
हाँ।
6 में भाई बैठा है ना मेरा पड़े वाला।
बाइक कहाँ से चोरी हुई?
बाइक तो मेरे घर से चोरी हो गई थी रात।
कब?
रात
आज?
आज सवेरे मिल भी गई।
कहाँ से मिली?
वो ये अपना हंसराज पब्लिक स्कूल नहीं है जहाँ हॉस्पिटल के लिए जाते हैं,
अरे बड़ा काम खराब है। यहाँ पर गाड़ियाँ बहुत चोरी हो रही है, मेरे कैमरे में आई।
जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं ना, जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं,
मैंने यहाँ 2 गाड़ी पकड़ी, सिलेंडर पकड़े 3
कहाँ पे?
अपने घर के सामने
अच्छा।
कैमरे में देख के। पुलिस को रिपोर्ट, ये पुलिस ने पकड़ी, आपने पकड़ी थी?
किसने? मैंने?
हाँ।
मेरी तो वहाँ फेंक के चले गए थे बाइक का, हंसरा पब्लिक स्कूल नहीं है उसके बाहर फेंक के चले गए थे, क्यों गाड़ी पे स्टार्ट हो ही नहीं उनसे।
मैंने बहुत चोर पकड़े,
गाड़ी
मेरी बाइक का सामान बहुत चोरी हुआ। यामा RX 100 का बड़ा आसान से चोरी हुआ था।
RX 100 का तो बड़ा आसान है, खुल के मिनट में ही स्टार्ट हो जाता है।
पता क्या, उस ज़माने में ना वो नहीं होता था ताला पेट्रोल का, पता तुझे?
वो तो उस टाइम पे बुलेट में नहीं होता था, यामा में तो होता था
ना, यामा में,
फिर नहीं
RX
होता।
100 में,
हाँ जी,
RX
पेट्रोल
100
का लॉक होता था,
होता था, RX 100 में होता,
बुलेट
लेकिन
में नहीं होता था,
हैं?
बुलेट में नहीं होता था।
वो खुल जाता वो,
खोलने क्या पेचकस से कोई भी चीज़ खुल जाती
हाँ वो
है,
पेचकस से खोल के चीनी डाल देते थे उसमें,
सीज करने के लिए।
फिर उसके बाद कमीशन खाते थे।
आपके पास गाड़ी भी होती है लाल रंग की?
गाड़ी तो खड़ी है, मैं कम चलाता हूँ, मेरा वो पेट्रोल ही बड़ा महंगा। वहाँ तो ये सैर करने जाना, तो फिर गाड़ी में फायदा क्या, सैर ही करना
ठीक है,
है। दिन में 2 बार सैर करने जाता हूँ। देखा तो है मेरा घर,
सब कुछ नहीं है, आने वाली कोठी छोड़ के
सामान
उसके
कुछ कम
बराबर।
मिला, सामान चोरी हुआ उसमें का?
किसमें से?
बाइक में से।
सामान चोरी नहीं हुआ, और सामान उसका तोड़ दिया, लीवर तोड़ दिया,
कहाँ है
क्लच का।
बाइक?
ये खड़ी तो मैंने सवेरे मिल गई थी, सवेरे उठा लाया था, अगले शॉप पर टेढ़े कर दिए थे।
मान
एक्चुअली क्या था
तुझे शक है किसी पे?
हाँ?
शक है किसी पे?
देखो क्या सकता है, एक्चुअली क्या था इसमें हैंडल लॉक नहीं था,
तूने कंप्लेंट भी नहीं करी?
कंप्लेंट भी नहीं करी, जब मिल गई तो फिर क्या कंप्लेंट करके, कंप्लेंट क्या करूँ, जब चीज़ मिल गई तो पहले से चौंकी जा
अरे
रहा था।
चीज़ मिल गई, समझाने कोई वारदात करके आ गया हो, फिर नाम तेरा लगाते, समझा नहीं? इसका कभी फोटो आई थी, कोई लड़की को लेके भगा लेके आओ,
तो मतलब बाइक तो सवेरे खान चोरी हुई है ना, सवेरे वही 3 बजे करी, आपकी बात ठीक है।
चोरी करके 10 दिन बाद 20 दिन बाद कैमरे में आ जाए, पुलिस तेरे पास आ जाएगी, कहेगी यार इस कैमरे में तू बंदा जा रहा है, हेलमेट डाला हो उसमें, तो बड़ा काम खराब है ये।
तो मतलब रिपोर्ट लिखा दो ना।
रिपोर्ट लिखा के बता दे यार, मैंने अपने आप ढूंढ लिए।
चलो आगे चलते हैं।
कुछ नहीं कहेंगे वो पुलिस वाले तेरे को, क्या मेरी बाइक वहाँ बड़ी मिली है, ये मत कहियो क्या मैं गरीब आदमी, मुझे सारा दिन काम करना पड़ता है, इसलिए मैं नहीं आ पाया। आज ही मिल गई तुम्हें, जब मैं दुकान खोलनी इसलिए पर टाइम बुलाते, आज नहीं, महीने 2 महीने बाद परेशानी।
ये बात आप
मेरे पास वो लड़की भागी 7 सेक्टर से, वो पहले तो भागी हुई थी, घर वालों ने सोचा कहीं घूमने गई होगी, नहीं मिली, 10-15 दिन तक, तब उन्होंने रिपोर्ट लिखाई। वो गाड़ी हैं,
फिर क्या हुआ?
गाड़ी के साथ उसको भगा के ले गया, उसको ज़बरदस्ती,
अच्छा,
तब कैमरे चेक करे ना उन्होंने, उसको ज़बरदस्ती खींच के हरिद्वार पता नहीं कहाँ पकड़ी गई, फिर वो रिपोर्ट तो जरूरी है। इतनी जल्दी मिल गई तो इसका मतलब कुछ काम करा है उसने खराब।
और एक बात ये तो भैया, गाड़ी की तो अब आपको एक बात बताऊँ, गाड़ी तो स्टार्ट ही नहीं की है, मेरी बात समझो आप। जैसे मैं अब शाम होगी, मैंने गाड़ी बाहर लगा दी, ठीक है, जो गाड़ी की मेन स्टार्टिंग की तारें होती है ना, वो मैंने निकाल रखी पहले ही।
धक्का मार के ले गया?
हाँ, धक्का मार के ले गए हो साले, जब नहीं गई है ना गाड़ी, धक्का मार के जब नहीं स्टार्ट होके गई है ना, मैं तो आगे आगे स्टार्ट करनी नहीं हुई स्टार्ट। वो भाई
कितने घंटे बाद मिली है
बाइक मेरे को? जैसे आप मान लो सवेरे 3 बजे गायब हुई है, 3 बजे तो मेरे को पता नहीं लगा, मैं सवेरे में 6 बजे उठा, तब मैं अपना नहाया धोया, गाड़ी गुड़ी और कपड़ा मारा, 8:30 बजे मैं घर से निकला, तो मैंने देखा, मैं चलो यार, मैं दुकान पे चलता हूँ, दुकान खोलो, देखा तो बाहर बाइक ही नहीं थी।
देख ले, वैसे तेरी मर्जी, अगर लग रहा है तुझे मीटर की नहीं चला इतना, फिर रहने दे,
चला दो बिल्कुल ही। अब यहाँ से देखो, सेक्टर 6-648 नंबर को भैया, ठीक है, वहाँ पे हल्का गाड़ी के अंदर तेल भी पूरा है, ठीक है, गाड़ी का कोई नुकसान भी नहीं हुआ, जब गाड़ी स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुई उनसे, तो क्या करेंगे वो?
अजीब बात है। फिर क्या कंप्लेंट लगाएगा जब अपने हम यहाँ पर पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर आया, ये हट गया, और ये 6 के अंदर जो चौकी है
ये तो हट गई,
फिर कहाँ जाएगा?
अब तो 6 वाली चौकी तो वहाँ चलेगी ना साथ में,
फिर इतनी दूर जाना पड़ेगा।
क्या पता, चलो चीज़ मिल गई तो अब उसको ध्यान रखेंगे, अंदर लगाए करेंगे। हमारी वाली कोठी में भी कैमरे लगे हुए हैं ना, पर कैमरे में उसमें
अगर
मुझे
चली
नहीं-
होती ना, चली होती फिर कंप्लेंट लिखाने का फायदा।
वही तो।
अब चली है नहीं तो कोई शरारती हुआ।
क्या पता भैया, क्या कह सकते हैं। देखो जब आंखों से देखा ही नहीं तो फिर ऐसे किसके ऊपर शक करें।
सामान भी चोरी नहीं हुआ।
ये देखो सामान भी चोरी नहीं हुआ, जब गाड़ी स्टार्ट ही होकर नहीं गई तो सामान क्या चोरी करता है। सिर्फ ये है हल्की फुल्की लग गई थी। देखो आपको पता ही है, बंदा गिराएगा तो थोड़ा बहुत तो नुकसान होता ही है। लीवर टूट गया था क्लच का, ब्रेक का लीवर टूट गया था बस।
लॉक लगा लेते हैं।
बाकी आप कहते हैं तो
3 घंटे में वैसे तो 3 घंटे में क्या करा होगा उसने? 3 घंटे में उसने चला ही ली होगी।
जब गाड़ी स्टार्ट ही नहीं चाह कहाँ से लेगा।
ये कैसे कह सकता है तू?
मैं कैसे कह सकता हूँ कि
स्टार्ट कर ली उसने।
कैसे, जब रात को जो मैंने तारें निकाली थी ना तो मेरे को पता था अभी गाड़ी कहाँ से मैंने बंद करी है। और सवेरे जब मैं गया ना, जब मैंने टापा खोल के देखा तो तारों हटी हुई थी वही थी।
और ताला
है
ताला नहीं, वो हैंडल
ताला भी बंद था।
हैंडल लॉक नहीं लगा।
हैंडल लॉक ही तो नहीं था ना इसमें। हैंडल लॉक आज लगाए सवेरे, ये देखो हैंडल लॉक ही तो नहीं था।
देख ले यार, ये तो
हैंडल लॉक नहीं था ना इसमें, ये वाला। ये लॉक नहीं था ना पहले,
यहाँ चोरी बहुत हो गई है।
ये वाला। पहले अपने सेक्टर 6 में कभी चोरी नहीं होती थी, कभी कुछ नहीं होता था। बचपन से मैं रह रहा हूँ वहाँ पे कोठी में।
अगर शक हो ना, तो अगर शक है किसी पे तो लिखा दे। रहने दे।
क्या फायदा, 100 वैसे मिल जाएगी नहीं
और क्या,
है ना।
अगर शक है फिर लिखा दे, नहीं वैसे कोई फर्क नहीं। While praying in my temple, I again found an Apsara razor box, which was kept in a drawer from past several months. Then I found a spectacles also, which were received free of cost. And then I bought shoes for my son about 4 years ago, about 5 or 6 years. What's the difference between natural sunglasses and animated sunglasses? Original sunglasses don't bounce whenever you move your face, and they will still be available even if you move your mobile phone. Yeah. And there is no spark of lightning on
natural sunglasses. These are water-filled sunglasses. These are normal animated. You can check all the sunglasses without even visiting any optical shop, and then decide for yourself which sunglasses you want to buy from Lenskart.com. But since the sunglasses were used from several months, they should be cleaned with water. Similarly, sharp razor pack was found inside the temple when I was praying a short while ago. And then also remembered my soulmate of last reincarnation. And many people were experimenting on souls, on reincarnations, and many people were challenging also, since they were jealous that finding any kind of probability of my interaction with that girl, even during school days also, and after school days when Facebook got evolved, and she registered in Facebook on 27th September 2009, exactly 9 months after the day real goddess Ma Vaishno, my real only goddess, who has no other son except me, descended on Earth from 21 light years away from Earth 1. And real Ma Vaishno goddess Vaishno lives 21 light years away from Earth 1, from where she descended on 27th and 28th night 2009, and through triangulation and the power of her information transmission, she kept on explaining me methods to reach that isolated place from 1991 itself, and she might have left her mansion located at 21 light years away from Earth 1 on 26th or 27th January 1985 itself. But she didn't inform me till 1991. It means she had traveled 6 light years, and she must have halted at any planet for few seconds or few minutes to get energy from stars.
and from there she transmitted me message that she is about to descend in about more 15 or 16 years. And then she continuously transmitted me various messages from the way towards Earth 1. And during 91, those messages were clearly heard while sitting in my mechanical drawing classroom, and I looked towards the right, towards the sky, and Charu Virmani was sitting in front of me, and she used to demand Apsara eraser all throughout the day. And then Ma Vaishno Devi informed me that Charu is your soulmate, and if rituals are not, and if by chance rituals fail to get neutralized, and if you fail to interact with her or arrange a relationship of marriage with her similar to past reincarnations, then you will need my assistance, due to which I am traveling towards Earth 1. But you should keep trying by meeting your gurus of last reincarnation like Sant Ishwar Das, who lived in Jalandhar at Udasin Ashram. Then I continued meeting him also. Then I tried my best. I bought Yamaha RX 100 4329 also, and some of the rituals get transferred towards that metallic bike also, but I received injuries afterwards, and a lot of health hazards were also caused by that bike, which was not informed, or I was not aware of these drawbacks. But I continued trying my best. I tried to convey her also, but she wasn't ready to hear also. Once I told my classmate Gagandeep Karkhel also that many kinds of rituals are being performed in my present life also by some people living near school only, and those were reincarnations of past lives. Those were enemies during past lives also. They had performed rituals in past lives also, and one day I may need your assistance in future. Then Gagandeep Karkhel didn't react, but he did help